If you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy A37, then the only way to do so is by using a USB cable. Unfortunately, wireless charging is not available on this phone, so we have to use a cable and the USB-C port that we have at the bottom of the phone to charge our Galaxy A37. Of course, inside the box we can get a USB-C to USB-C cable, but we do not get a power adapter in the box, so the power adapter is unfortunately not included. Now, if you do have a power adapter from your previous device, if you can use it, then of course that's great. You can of course use it to charge, and it's going to be probably the best option to do so, simply because chargers and power adapters are of course the best way to charge your phone. They charge your phone the fastest. But if you do not have a power adapter just yet, and you still need to charge your phone, then you can use anything else that allows you to charge devices after connecting with a USB cable. So this can be, let's say, your car, maybe a power bank, or your PC or laptop, or something similar. So of course these devices, or a car in this example, they usually have the option to charge by using the USB cable. So if you have one that fits your device and that other thing, then of course you can use it. Of course, still you probably want to look for a power adapter if you don't have it yet, simply because it allows you to charge your phone the fastest way possible. For example, using your PC or laptop while it works, the charging speed is rather slow, so you probably want to of course do this only when necessary. Power banks are not bad, of course, they can actually be quite decent at the charging speed, just like cars, but of course without any doubt the power adapter is going to be the best choice. So of course if you are not sure how to connect to the power adapter, it is quite simple. In my case I have a slightly different power adapter because it has USB-A port, so I need to use a slightly different cable, USB-C to USB-A, but the idea is that of course we just connect the cable to the power adapter, we plug it into the power socket, and then we connect it to the USB-C port that we have at the bottom. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.